Hi, this is Miguel, and in this quick video, I'll introduce you to the basics of classes and objects in computer programming. A lot of the time when you're designing a real-world program, you want to represent some kind of thing in your code, such as a user's profile, a message, or nearly anything else. One of the most common ways to do this is by creating a class which represents a blueprint of that thing. A class should have code to describe the thing's attributes, its member variables, as well as code for what it can do, its member functions. Consider this example code where we have a class representing a pet. It has attributes for its name, the type of animal that it is, and the sound that it makes, as well as two member functions. The first function, init, is a special function called the constructor. It gets called whenever we create an instance of our pet class, and is responsible for setting up all of the properties of the object. We've also added a function called makeNoise, which gets the pet to say something into the console. But how can we actually use our blueprint? In Python, we just need to instantiate it using the class name, much like a function call, along with the parameters for the constructor function, excepting the self variable, which Python always provides for you. This will return a new instance of the class, which we can store into a variable. In this code, we create objects representing two of my pets. To interact with these objects, we can use the dot operator to access member functions or variables. In this code, we call the makeNoise function for each one of my pets. Notice how even though we call the same function, the output depends on which object we run the method on. That's it for this video, but it's far from the limits of what you can do with classes. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.